Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. It's your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make shrimp Alfredo pasta, guys, and it's really good, guys. That's one of my favorite way I cook my pasta, guys. I would like to share it with you guys, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna go, guys, step by step. I know you guys gonna really love the result. Alright guys, that's everything we're gonna need to make the Alfredo penne pasta. I'm gonna make it with shrimp, guys. I have my shrimp. I have 2 pounds of shrimp. I have my parmesan and romano cheese. I have some onion powder. I have some olive oil. I have some lemon pepper. I have some parsley. I have some paprika, guys, and I have some old bay season. I have two kind. Let me show you guys good which one I'm gonna need. I'm gonna use because I'm gonna need them to use. To season my shrimp. And I have some minced garlic. I'm gonna need some salt, and I have some Maggi cube, and I have some butter. I have it there on this board. I put it, and I'm gonna need some onion, and we're gonna start. That's everything we're gonna need to make it. All right, guys. First, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put the water to boil, and when the water is boiled, and I'm gonna put my penne pasta, and I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, guys, I just put the water. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. When you do that, guys, so all the pasta they don't get stuck together. And I'm gonna get salt. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt on the water, and I'm gonna let the water boil, guys. And when the water boil, I will show you guys. All right, guys, I have 2 pounds of shrimp, and I have the jumbo shrimp, those kind of big, because I didn't want to use the small shrimp. Now what I'm gonna do, while my water is boiled, I'm gonna season my shrimp. Now first, what I'm gonna do, I have my Old Bay season. Let me see, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon, guys. This one is almost done. Okay, that's about 1 teaspoon. And I have another kind again, guys. This one, the garlic herb. I'm gonna put another teaspoon because I have a lot of shrimp. I'm gonna make sure the shrimp is seasoned real good. I'm sorry if my hand block you guys. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna put some black pepper, of course. I'm gonna put like half teaspoon of black pepper. I don't have to put that much. And next, what I'm gonna do, I have my lemon pepper. I'm gonna put half, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. Let me show you guys. Okay, because I want my shrimp to taste real good. I have some onion powder again. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And I have my I think I have everything. All right, I'm gonna get some paprika. This one is like half teaspoon. It's on. I'm just gonna put it on my shrimp. And I have, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna mix all of them together, guys. I'm gonna mix it. You're gonna mix it real good to make sure all the season go inside the shrimp. And I have, I'm sorry, guys, those Maggi cube. Let me show you guys. All right, I'm gonna put one of them on the shrimp, and you guys can find this at Walmart. I'm sure it's kind of hard. You're just gonna have to put power on it so you can break it. You see, when I break it, I'm just gonna make sure you go all the way inside the shrimp. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna let my shrimp marinated while I go check on the water so I can put the pasta. Guys, I forgot to put the garlic powder, guys. Of course, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Even I didn't measure it, that's 1 teaspoon. And I have my Creole season, guys. It's like everything I cook, I put the Creole season. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of Creole season too. Now it's perfect. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna marinate it again, and I'm gonna let me go check on my water, guys. All right, guys, my water is boiling. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my penne pasta. I'm not gonna make, I have 2 boxes, but I'm not gonna make both of them. I'm only gonna make 1.5. I'm gonna put the first one. And I have another box, guys. I'm just gonna put half of it. I don't wanna do too much. I'll show you guys. Okay. Yeah. No, I don't wanna mix it. That will be too much. Alright, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover it now, guys. I'm gonna do it as the instruction on the box. It says you have to let it boil for 11 minutes, guys. I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna let it boil for 11 minutes. Alright, guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook my shrimp. I'm gonna do it separately, guys. I have some olive oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna let it hot. And while I leave it, guys, I have some butter, guys, so to add some taste to it. I'm gonna put two. Let me show you guys if you guys can see it. Alright, I'm gonna put it on the oil, and I'm gonna leave it, and I'm gonna start cooking my shrimp. Alright, guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my shrimp. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna let it cook in the first side for 2 minutes, guys. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna change it, because you don't want the shrimp to cook too well, because you're gonna put it back on the on the pasta. I have a lot of them. I think I'm gonna have to do it, put like two instead of one, because it's not that big. Smells so good, guys. I'm telling you, smell real good. I'm just gonna let it cook for 2 minutes in the first side, and after 2 minutes I'm gonna like turn it to let it cook it in for another 2 minutes, and I'm gonna take it off. Guys, now it's been 2 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna turn my shrimp to the other side, and I'm gonna let it cook for another 2 minutes, and I'm gonna add the rest, guys, because I had a lot of shrimp. I put like 2 pounds of shrimp. I love shrimp, guys. I love seafood. That's why when I make it, I always put a lot of shrimp. My kids love shrimp. My husband like it, but not like me and my kids. And I'm just gonna turn it, guys. Oh my god, look at the shrimp. They look real good. I'm gonna let it cook like for another 2 minutes, and I will show it to you guys. I'm done with all the shrimp. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put the shrimp on the plate, and I'm gonna put it with all the juice. I'll show you guys. The shrimp look real good. I'm gonna put everything, because that's all the season. Because I'm gonna put it back on the pasta when I'm done with it. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm done with the shrimp. Alright, guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. I don't have to put that much. And next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter again, guys. And this one I unsalt butter. I'll show you guys what I put. I'm gonna put it there. And I have my garlic. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of garlic, guys. I'm gonna put 1.5 tablespoons. And I'm gonna do the garlic smells so good. I'm just gonna leave it like that for like 1 minute, guys. Alright, guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry a little bit of the onion. I'm not gonna put all of it. Real good, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I have this garlic Alfredo, guys. Let me show it to you guys. I bought it from Walmart. That's what I'm gonna use, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it to my pan, because I still have some of the cream. Let me put it down. I'm gonna put a little bit of the carnation milk. It's like I open it upside down, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it good. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Now, alright, guys, I put a little bit of the carnation milk so I can take the rest of it. Now what I'm gonna do, not that much, I'm just gonna add it. Okay. I have my Parmesan Romano cheese. I'm gonna put, you guys can put as much as you guys want. It's on you. I'm just gonna mix all of them together, guys. And I have my pasta, guys. I already took the pasta. I already put the pasta out of the water. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it to the Alfredo sauce, guys. Sure. Oh, now I'm gonna make sure all the sauce go inside the pasta. Just gonna have to keep doing that, guys, until all of them go inside the pasta. Guys, remember I told you guys I was gonna need some of the Maggi cube. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, when you put the Maggi cube, you just add more flavor to the pasta. I don't want to put that much. I'm only gonna put 2 because you know the shrimp already seasoned well good. And I'm gonna put the shrimp in a little bit, guys. Oh my god, why did it take that time? And remember what I told you guys, it's kind of hard. You have to like put power on it, guys. And I'm gonna do it for both like that. You're just gonna make sure you go all inside your pasta. The pasta smells so good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one. Alright, guys, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper, guys, maybe half teaspoon. You don't have to put that much. And of course I have my Creole season, guys. I'm gonna put half teaspoon of the Creole season on it too. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, just gonna mix all of them together. And the best part is, look at that shrimp, guys. Look at the shrimp. The shrimp looks so good. I feel like eating it like that. Nope, we're just gonna add it to our pasta. I'm gonna make sure we get all the spice. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix it. Guys, I'm gonna eat real good tonight. Just gonna mix it like that, and I'm gonna leave it for 2 minutes, guys. After 2 minutes I will show you guys how it look like. Alright, guys, I'm pretty much done. Now what I'm gonna do, I have a little bit of onion, guys, and I'm just gonna add it to my pasta. And again, I'm gonna add a little bit of the grated Parmesan Romano cheese. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put it on the plate, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys how it look like on the plate. Alright, guys, I just put it on the plate. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit of the cheese, and of course I have my dry pasta, guys. I'm just gonna add a little bit on top of it, and voila, it's ready, guys, to eat. And thank you so much again, guys, for watching. I'm gonna zoom it to show you guys a little bit. Thank you again, guys, for watching, guys. Thank you. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, so hit the notification button, guys, so next time when I post some good video like that, guys, some good recipe like that, guys, so you guys can see the video. Thank you so much again. God bless you all. See you guys on my next video.